In today's video, I'm going to show you how to visualize data with a timeline using a line graph here in Google Sheets. So a timeline is all about showing events in the order they happen. When you use dates on the horizontal axis and sales numbers on the vertical axis, each point on the chart becomes a moment in time. So instead of reading rows of dates and numbers, you're seeing the sales history laid out visually day by day. So how do we create our timeline using the line graph? Well, first, you're going to select your range right here. There you have it. So select your entire table, then go to Insert in the menu bar and select Chart. So here we have our suggested chart type, which is a line chart. Now, line charts naturally move from left to right, which matches how time works. So we have the beginning of the dates that we have on our table right here, moving to the right to the current date. So why does a line chart work as a timeline? Well, as the line goes up or down, it shows how sales change as time passes. This makes it easy to spot patterns like growth, declines, or sudden spikes. So if we just go ahead and edit this chart right here, because right now it's representing two things on our timeline. The first one would be our total sales amount, and the second would be our quantity sold. Now, we can't really see our quantity sold because the minimum part of our y-axis right here is 5,000, while the average number of our quantity sold is only in the hundreds. So if we go to our chart editor right here, we are going to go to the series and remove the total sales amount. So we want to focus on the quantity sold represented in the timeline on our line chart. So we're going to go to the series, and for column C, that's C2 to C51, go to the ellipsis on the right side and just remove. And there we have it. So each dot on the line represents one day. If sales are high, the point sits higher. If sales are low, it drops. So when you connect these points, you're literally drawing the story of your product's performance across the month. And with this specific example, we are just looking at the timeline of the sales of our PS5 controller. So there are days that it has higher sales and some days that have very low sales. So why is this better than a table? Well, the table just shows exact numbers, but timelines show relationships. With a sales timeline, you can instantly see when momentum builds, when it slows down, and when something unusual happens without doing any calculations. So that's how you can visualize your data with a timeline using a line graph here in Google Sheets. Now, if you want to see the other dates here at the bottom, what you're going to do is you just click on Aggregate, and there we have it. Want to make it longer? Just adjust the size of your chart or your timeline right here. Close that off, and here we have it. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.